Hey there! So, let's talk about a problem that can occur when coding in C++. The issue arises when using default template arguments with lambda expressions, especially within class templates. The interesting part is that while GCC and MSVC handle the code smoothly, Clang starts complaining. It seems that Clang is not handling the default template argument instantiation as expected when dealing with lambdas, resulting in differing behaviors between compilers. Now, let's dive into the solution to this interesting problem. The standard specification lacks clarity on how default template arguments containing lambda expressions should behave. The uniqueness of lambda expressions and the instantiation of default template arguments are not well defined. This ambiguity leaves room for different interpretations regarding when and how default template arguments with lambdas should be instantiated. In summary, the issue at hand stems from the lack of a detailed specification in the C++ standard regarding the behavior of default template arguments with lambda expressions. The differing behavior between compilers like GCC, MSVC, and Clang highlights the need for clearer guidelines in the standard. Despite this inconsistency, understanding the potential complexities of default template arguments and lambda expressions can help navigate such scenarios in C++ programming. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, when coding, always expect the unexpected, especially when it comes to default template arguments and lambdas.